Hello there, Coach Erica here, and get ready for another hoop workout. Let's go. All right, we're going to get right into it with waist hooping. Again, if you need to learn where to get started with hooping and hoop dance fitness, please join the official Patreon. Information will be below. Next, we're going to do 10 wide sumo squats. We are going to have the hoop soft arms distance away, and we are going to slowly but surely come down into that squat. Back to about a minute of waist hooping. We're going to head right back into about 10 of these wide sumo squats. All right, we're going to go right back into our final round of waist hooping. You got this.